वेलकम टू बहकी बातें पॉडकास्ट द पैशनेट सीरीज और मैं हूँ देविका.
मैं हूँ रुजबे और आज हमारे पैशनेट सीरीज में वीव गॉट अ वेरी यंग टैलेंटेड एंड अ वेरी पैशनेट पर्सन. इन्होंने म्यूजिक कॉम्पोजिशन से शुरुआत की है और अब जाके साउंड इंजीनियर बने हैं. वैसे क्या है डिफरेंस इन सब में? दिस इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट टुडे.
करेक्ट.
सो लेट्स वेलकम.
Let's welcome Chaitanya Rajapurgar. Hello.
Hi Chaitanya, it's good
Hi.
to have you here. I have seen you in multiple interviews before. काफ़ी आपके पर्सनालिटी के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत जाना है वहाँ पे. Today our motive is to see how we try to uncover some few things that were not uncovered before.
Okay.
So it's regarding your passion, regarding your journey,
Okay.
And yeah, things that you've done so far.
So, have you realized बहकी बातें पॉडकास्ट का ये सबसे यंगेस्ट गेस्ट है.
सबसे यंगेस्ट गेस्ट है. एज हम डिस्क्लोज नहीं करेंगे यहाँ पे. ही इज ऑलरेडी गॉन टेकन, तो इसलिए एज डिस्क्लोज करके फायदा नहीं है. सही ना?
Fair enough.
तो बिफोर वी गो अहेड, लेट्स थैंक आवर स्पॉन्सर्स फॉर टुडे.
Today. So today's sponsors is Bohemian Fresh Chocolates. So they are located in City 12 O'Connell Street, and they have amazing range of hot chocolates as well as different types of freshly handmade chocolates. So अगर आपको भी try out करना है तो definitely that's the place to hit up.
और इसके साथ साथ वील ऑल्सो लाइक टू थैंक आवर वीडियो पार्टनर्स, हमारे वीडियो स्पॉन्सर्स जो हमारे लिए वीडियो लेकर आते हैं. इंस्पायर मीडिया वर्क्स. गेट इन टच विद देम इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन हैविंग योर बिजनेस प्रोमो वीडियो या आपका डांस वीडियो, म्यूजिक वीडियो, कोई भी टाइप का वीडियो कंटेंट अगर आपको क्रिएट करना है, गेट इन टच विद इंस्पायर मीडिया वर्क्स. दे आर स्पेशलाइज्ड इन रियल एस्टेट वीडियोस, बट उसके साथ साथ बिजनेस वीडियोस में भी दे आर quite amazing. In how I like to call them, they are chabuk in what they do. So yeah, we'll have a short break, and after the break we're going to have a very candid conversation with Chaitanya, and we're trying to understand कि क्या क्या चीज़ें जाती है एक पैशन को फॉलो करने के पीछे, और उसके साथ साथ यू नो जस्ट अनकवर योर पर्सनल स्टोरी. सो सी यू राइट देयर.
Welcome back on Behki Batein podcast. So we have Chaitanya with us today. Chaitanya, should we call you Chai because that's what everyone calls you, right?
You can call me whatever you want.
No, what do you prefer?
Yeah.
Chaitanya mostly,
Yeah.
but Bahar Chai because it's just easier.
नहीं, मेरे को
No,
Chaitanya
I like Chaitanya,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
I've heard people calling Chai. I don't
Yeah.
know.
So
Chaitanya, see,
आजकल वो application में डालना पड़ता है ना preferred name, so Chai.
हाँ,
Oh,
अच्छा,
okay.
yeah. क्योंकि यहाँ पे वो टंग ट्विस्टर हो जाता है ना
Yeah,
लोगों के लिए.
yeah.
और उसमें तो इंडिया में भी टंग ट्विस्टर है, यहाँ पे भी टंग ट्विस्टर है. इट्स अ वेरी
देखो
डिफरेंट.
देविका नाम कितना अच्छा है.
लेकिन Chaitanya, to start with, there's few similarities between you and me. One is you know Marathi.
I know Marathi.
मला पण मराठी येते.
वाह.
And you know गुजराती.
Somewhat, yeah.
મને પણ ગુજરાતી આવડે.
बहुत सारा.
મને થોડું એટલું ગુજરાતી આવડે.
हाँ.
Am I right?
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Chaitanya, to just start with, so how so were you born in New Zealand?
No, I'm born in Baroda, Gujarat. Moved here when I was 4 years old, and then तब से यहीं पे हूँ.
यहीं पे.
Yeah, yeah.
तो बेसिकली स्कूलिंग यहाँ पे हुआ है.
Yes,
Right?
all of it.
तो मतलब यहाँ पे जो पलता बढ़ता है, उसका एक एक्सेंट आता है ना. So do you have like a Kiwi accent that
Yeah, I
is
mean,
natural?
I have my Kiwi accent, but then I can go and speak Marathi because घर पे it was a rule. मम्मी ने rule बनाया था कि as soon as you step in the house, you speak Marathi.
Oh, wow.
No one knows English in the house.
Wow.
So because of that, I'm still able to speak Marathi and also Hindi and Gujarati.
Yeah, because उसका English accent, he has a very heavy Kiwi accent in that. I
मेरे से
have
जब
heard
ये
that.
बात किया तभी इतना नहीं आया मेरे को, मतलब
I'm able to.
you are able to switch,
Yeah,
ना?
yeah.
हाँ, yeah. क्योंकि I know a few people over here who can switch right away, like when they're talking to Indians, like right away Indian accent आ जाता है, and when they are talking to Kiwis, suddenly the accent changes that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you've been brought up in New Zealand,
Auckland, yep.
in Auckland. What what got you interested into what you do? Actually, just let us know, let everyone know, what are you into?
I'm by trade an audio engineer. I do recordings, mixing, mastering, as well as live sound. So pretty much everything related to sound, I try to do to my best of the ability. And it all started with music. Like mum could see that I could sing, so उसने पहले गाने के क्लास लगाए. and then harmonium try kiya. वो भी I was able to pick up pretty quickly, and then from there I went on to learn guitar, bass, some bit of keyboards here and there. So by the time I was almost done with school, I was able to play most instruments in a room.
Wow.
And but like by the end of school, music का interest खत्म हो गया था. I was like,
Oh.
I'm done. Like बहुत हो गया. It like वो you know you have that desire to want to keep learning. At that time, my desire, the want of learning something new went towards another side, which was audio. So like around 12 or 13, I was roped into helping out with music for a Marathi drama,
Right.
and basically it was just press play when the script says,
Yes.
and just move the fader up and down depending on the level of the microphones. That was the brief.
Right.
अब थिएटर पे पहुंचे and they're like, you have to handle mics as well.
Okay.
Like मैंने लाइफ में मिक्सर नहीं देखा कभी. I don't know what any of this stuff does. I don't even know what the mic looks like. How do I do this? So within like 1 hour, I was taught how to use the mixer, and at the same time, I was doing the music and also reading a script and handling all the gain structure. And at the same time, I was trying to help someone with lighting cues, and all that was. So yeah, I was thrown into the deep end straight away, and that's where I started all this.
Wow. And that time you were just 12 or 13.
12 or 13, yeah.
My God.
I think एक बार ऐसे forcefully डाल देते ना किसी चीज में, you
हाँ.
have that thing नहीं अभी
वो
complete
झक मार के
करके
करना ही
झक
पड़ता
मार
है,
के
yeah.
करना पड़ता है.
Like कोई और होता नहीं है वहाँ पे, and you have to step up.
That's so cool, yeah. So मतलब मैं और भी एक सिमिलैरिटी क्योंकि मैं भी साउंड कर रहा हूँ एक प्ले के लिए.
Yeah.
And it is you think that it is क्या बस एक फेडर करना है या
it's
फिर एक प्ले
not.
करना. No भाई, you
No,
have
no,
to
no.
focus on the speech, not speech. You have to focus on the cues.
It feels like after the thing, it feels like you've run a marathon because it's so tiring.
Yeah. And if you're doing lightings also along with
Yeah.
that, oh my God, I can imagine how crazy that could get, because
was
lighting
fun.
cues अलग होते हैं, sound cues अलग होते हैं, and then paying attention to
Hmm.
every word that comes across. Wow.
So वो 1 hour में सीखा तब is that the time when you realized okay I want to get into this only कि
See,
यही
like,
कीड़ा है
but
अभी मेरे में.
बचपन से I was only good at one thing, which was music, and then I realized I'm also good at this. Like wow. So I tried it, and then dad realized कि ये कर रहा है कुछ. Let's do some research, and then he only a couple months later bought me a small mixer to practice
Oh,
at
wow.
home. फिर mics आने लगे घर पे, then cables आने लगे, and like by this time I have a full-fledged PA system that I can use whenever I need.
Wow.
And like it was mostly I and Baba that really pushed me into doing something that I'm good at.
So
They
what
were never
about what about studies? Like, were you good at
मैं
studies?
वही
Never.
मेरा next question
Sorry,
वही
yeah.
था ना.
below
That's fine.
below average. Below average.
Below average.
Below average. Like never great at it. करने के लिए कर रहा हूँ. But like
एक और similarity.
पास हो रहा हूँ.
मतलब रुजबे आज के शो में सारी similarities ढूंढ रहे हैं और मैं
Like,
क्या कुछ नहीं कर
I think
सकता.
11th तक I was really good. In New Zealand you have 13 standards. ना?
Yeah.
11th तक I was great, and then 12वीं 13वीं I was like नहीं बस हो गया. मजा नहीं आ रहा सीखने में. So पास होने के लिए.
कहाँ
करो.
तक पढ़ा है तू?
Well, I've done all my bachelors and everything.
you've done bachelors
I've done
and
my
all?
bachelors.
Okay.
I
घर पे
graduated.
रूल होगा ना बैचलर्स पहले खत्म करने का.
नहीं, it was
ऐसा नहीं
like
था?
Baba. I tried to convince Baba कि I want to go into the workforce. I don't need a degree for my industry, but then he's like no. And this was when I was 15.
Mhm.
कि no, get a degree. तेरे को अभी समझ में नहीं आएगा इसके वैल्यू, but future में बहुत आएगा. And during that time, like Baba was he really wanted me to do well in what I was trying to do. So we decided कि चलो Brisbane move होते हैं, वहाँ पे there's an awesome degree in fine arts, वहाँ पे जाते हैं. And then Baba was there for almost 5-6 months. And during that time, I realized that SIT in Invercargill also does this degree, so why do we have to go? And Baba also agreed कि मेरे को Brisbane में मज़ा नहीं आ रहा, तुम लोग को हल्किस मज़ा नहीं आएगा, so let's just stay in Auckland. So we pretty much wrapped everything up in Auckland,
Wow.
was ready to move within a month, and had to unpack everything and restart our lives. So
Wow.
Wow.
when I was in year 11.
Nice. Are you
Yeah.
the only child for?
Yeah.
Oh.
दिख रहा है ना?
नहीं, you know, I'm the only child.
ये
but
भगवान आज का एपिसोड ऐसा क्यों हो
Do you
रहा
want to swap places?
I know, I think so.
No, but seriously, like, you have been an inspiration. I've read things about you, and I told you before the interview also that I heard your interview with RNZ, and it was quite chill. Yeah, like I enjoyed listening to you. उसमें एक और चीज मैंने सुना कि you've been to India also.
A few times.
A
Yeah,
few times.
A few times.
So, because you know we've come from India to New Zealand, and it has been reverse migration. Like it has been a migration for us where काफी चीजें हम लोग के लिए बहुत अलग थी, बहुत नई थी. और मैं जब यहाँ से छुट्टी पे भी जाता हूँ इंडिया वापस, तो मेरे लिए काफी चीजें वो
Culture shock.
कल्चर शॉक हो
Yeah.
जाता है फिर से. Even if I've just been here for like 8 years or so, but still there are a lot of things that changes, your mindset changes. How was it for you, because you've been brought up in New Zealand and then
Yeah.
now going back to India, so
So I went to India 4-5 times during summer holidays.
Okay.
पहले टाइम गया था आई वेंट टू लर्न बेस गिटार, वो तो बड़ोड़ा में ही था. सो आई वाज क्वाइट शेल्टर्ड कि कोई आएगा छोड़ने के लिए, कोई पिकअप करेगा छोड़ने के लिए. आई एम लिविंग विद फैमिली. एंड देन सेकंड टाइम द होल स्टोरी वाज दैट आई वाज लर्निंग सिंगिंग फ्रॉम संध्या आंटी, संध्या राव. शी इज़ अ बिग नेम इन ऑकलैंड.
Okay.
एंड उन्होंने रियलाइज़ किया कि इसका इंटरेस्ट इज़ गोइंग टूवर्ड्स ऑडियो, एंड शी वॉज वेरी वेरी सपोर्टिव. शी लेट मी हेल्प आउट इन हर शोज एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड she used to be a massive like playback singer in India back in the 90s and 80s. और उनके close contact है Aslam Khan, one of the pioneers of audio engineering in India pretty much. He was one of the first persons to even have a studio in Mumbai.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he was one of the first, like, and is still one of the top up there. So उन्होंने उनका contact दिया, संध्या आंटी ने उस असलम सर का contact दिया कि contact him, see what he says. So असलम सर ने कहा if you can come to India, come and meet me and we'll see if we can do something. So I think I was 13 or 14 and I went.
13 or 14?
Yeah. And at the same time, Baba is like, तू studio में काम कर, but also you can try and get a certification in something.
Right.
So I went to this institute, अंधेरी station पे था. So वहाँ पे I did 2 certifications, which was music production and DJing.
Okay.
So I am also a certified producer and DJ.
Oh, you're a DJ
I don't
also?
do it though.
Okay.
It's just there, like Kia. It's there. It's under the belt. But Aslam sir के साथ first year में it was like खड़े रहो स्टूडियो में, देखो क्या हो रहा है, बातें सुनो लोगों की, and just watch how things happen. Like 2 महीने I was just standing and listening.
पूरा observation
Yeah,
का
just
game.
full observation.
Yeah.
And Aslam sir saw that I am also quite interested at a very young age. So he said, come back next time if you can. So मैं बोला, okay, I'll try my
So
best.
how long was that for, the first visit?
Summer holidays, 2 months.
Oh.
So like every
दो
summer
महीने.
holidays में you used to go to India.
I tried to.
Oh, okay, you tried to. Okay.
बीच में if there's like visitors from India जो
हाँ,
आए थे, then I'd stay back.
हाँ.
But every chance I could get, I was trying to go to India. And then from the second part onwards, I was a lot more involved. I was like setting up microphones, handling clients with them. I've done everything, like studio साफ करने से, चाय परोसने से. I've been taking sessions. So like the whole Mumbai experience really helped me learn the insides and outs of a studio. Like from the construction of a chair to the way the electronics should flow in a studio, to how to treat your clients, how to do billing and everything. Like throughout those times I was in Mumbai, really helped me learn all that.
Wow.
Yeah.
So यार मतलब, and that time you were like 14.
उस टाइम मुझे पता ही नहीं चल रहा था कि क्या
14-15
था.
था,
फर्स्ट टाइम I was quite culture shock कि क्या हो रहा है, कुछ पता ही नहीं चल रहा. But then as I started learning on my own, I was able to connect dots a lot easier.
Right.
So did you like that experience? क्योंकि बहुत लोगों का होता है कि suddenly like being from New Zealand, then वहाँ पे जाके ऐसे basic से basic काम करना and everything. Did you like that?
I loved it.
You loved it.
I loved
Yeah,
it.
that's good.
I think that's what passion
Yeah.
is about, right?
I know.
I'm always trying to learn, like even the places that I work at now, I'm trying to help students. But when I'm not able to help students, I tell them like, you're learning, I'm learning at the same time, let's do this together. So it's like constantly trying to learn things.
Wow,
Oh,
that's pretty
that's
cool. So, because the reason why I got into all those things is because there is a culture shock.
There is.
It is quite tough to just move base that
Yeah,
way.
yeah.
And मतलब 14-15 के टाइम पे आई रिमेंबर मेरे छुट्टियों में समर हॉलीडेज में 14-15 वी यूज टू गो आउट एंड जस्ट चिल, लाइक मतलब कुछ करना नहीं है. हमारे यहाँ पे समर हॉलीडेज में मैंगोज आते थे, मैंगो सीजन होता था, तो वो आइस कैंडी खाओ, मैंगोज खाओ, वो सब हमारा बचपन वो था. टाइम पास, लाइक लिटरली. एक हमारे यहाँ पे कॉलेज रोड करके एक स्ट्रीट होता था जहाँ पे हम लोग उधर पट्टा मारते थे. पट्टा इज लाइक पट्टा ना, मतलब यूजुअली पंजाबी में गेड़ी रूट बोलते हैं, वैसे हम लोग पट्टा मारते हैं.
Drive.
You just go around.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
गोल गोल घूमते रहो, पैसे माँ बाप के पैसे उड़ाते रहो, मतलब ऐसे ही था वो. तो वाओ यार, मतलब you were into so much creative even
बट
at
कभी
that time.
ऐसे नहीं लगा कि समर हॉलीडेज में नॉर्मली फ्रेंड्स का चिलिंग टाइम होता
Yeah.
है, सो वुड यू नॉट मिस दैट कि ये छोड़ के मैं वहां जा रहा हूँ?
कभी
Or
कभी
would it
होता
that-
था, but then like मेरे सारे cousins पुणे में ही थे.
Ah.
So I could just take a bus from Mumbai to Pune, go chill there for a weekend, reset, come back, work another couple weeks, and then go back to Pune and do stuff like that.
So अभी मुंबई में रह के ट्रेन, रिक्शा, बस सब इजीली
सब.
यू कैन ट्रैवल
Yep,
नाउ.
yep.
सही है.
अभी भी
Yeah.
हाँ
Yeah,
okay and we're talking about train journey, so train journey का कहाँ से कहाँ तक what you used to do?
लाइक फर्स्ट 2-3 बार मुंबई गया था. इट वाज लाइक मैं लोखंडवाला में रह रहा था एंड द स्टूडियो वाज इन चार बांग्ला, सो इट वाज वॉकिंग
is,
डिस्टेंस
हाँ.
10 minutes.
Yeah.
एंड तब तो आई वाज जस्ट यूजिंग BST बस स्टेशन तक जाने के लिए, फिर वहाँ से चर्च गेट नरीमन पॉइंट घूमने के लिए, बस उतना ही था. एंड देन द लास्ट टाइम आई वाज इन मुंबई वी परचेस्ड अ फ्लैट इन विरार एज एन इन्वेस्टमेंट.
Okay.
एंड आई वाज लाइक लिए आइए तो रह लेते 1-2 महीना बिफोर आई लीव. एंड व्हेन आई वाज देयर तभी पोजीशन लिया था.
हाँ.
सो आई लिव्ड इन विरार फॉर 2 months. रोज सुबह विरार ते अंधेरी किया और रात को अंधेरी से विरार किया
Wow.
स्टैंडिंग.
My God.
एंड इट वाज फन,
कभी
डैम
सीट
फन.
मिली है?
कभी नहीं, कभी
Record.
नहीं, कभी नहीं मिली.
मैं-
2 महीने में एक भी बार नहीं बैठा.
ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग मैं बचपन से मुंबई में पली बड़ी हूँ, लेकिन मैंने अंधेरी टू विरार आज तक नहीं ट्रैवल किया है. आई कैन नॉट.
I just want to let people know who are not from Mumbai. अंधेरी टू विरार, मतलब जो विरार तक का जो ट्रेन जाता है वो
दैट्स द लास्ट स्टॉप.
इट इज लाइक खतरों के खिलाड़ी. वन बेसिक रूल, अगर आप विरार लोकल देखते हो और अगर आपको अंधेरी उतरना है, नेवर गेट इनटू द विरार लोकल.
नो, गेट इनटू द विरार.
because-
डोंट गो पास्ट द डोर.
या डोंट गो पास, क्योंकि और मैंने एक बार ऐसे किया था, गलती से मैं अंदर चढ़ गया तो मैं वो
उतरने नहीं
दरवाजे पे
देते।
अटका, मैं दरवाजे पे अटका. एंड क्या होता है उसमें, व्हेन द ट्रेन स्टॉप्स एट द स्टेशन, फर्स्ट 3 people गेट ऑफ,
Yeah.
वैसे करके, एंड लेट अदर पीपल लाइक गेट आउट एंड
वो गेट जैसे बनता है.
हाँ, तो मैं उसमें उतर गया एंड वहां से सुमड़ी में मैं कल्टी मार लिया, बिकॉज इफ दे कैच मी देयर मैं गया, बिकॉज यू आर टेकिंग वन पर्सन सीट ना, वन पर्सन लाइक प्लेस. वेरी लिमिटेड विरार लोकल.
अरे नहीं, बहुत मजा आता था विरार लोकल में.
But
आई मीन
yeah.
आई हैव, मतलब मेरे को लोकल में ट्रैवल करने का बहुत, मैं अंधेरी टू पनवेल रोज ट्रैवल करती
Yeah.
थी जब मेरा
Harbour
इंजीनियरिंग
line.
कॉलेज.
हार्बर
हार्बर
लाइन,
लाइन,
शांत लाइन.
शांत लाइन है.
शांत.
But वो भी
बट
बहुत भीड़ हो जाती
वो
थी उसमें.
वो भी
शाम
बहुत
को.
भीड़, बिकॉज एक तो अंधेरी से पनवेल ना ट्रेन ज़्यादा जाती नहीं है, एंड मुझे सुबह की 6 o'clock की ट्रेन पकड़नी पड़ती थी. 8:30 को वहाँ पे पहुँचती थी मैं. इट इज़ सो बैड, बट इट वॉज अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस. आई लव ट्रेन ट्रैवलिंग.
Okay, let's I know train traveling के अपने हर किसी के बहुत किस्से हैं.
अरे yes.
But I want to talk about audio engineering now. So पहले तो I want to understand कि what are the different components in music composition. Like if you are a music director or a music composer, what are the different elements that come in place?
So there's firstly composer. Composer could be like, मैंने 2 लाइन गुनगुना लिए and I sold that line to someone else. I'm a composer.
Okay.
फिर आता है प्रोड्यूसर. वो दो लाइन लेके मैंने गाना बनाया उस पर. दैट्स अ प्रोड्यूसर. लाइक आई प्रोड्यूस द म्यूजिक फॉर दैट. लाइक ऑल द ड्रम्स आई पुट, ऑल द गिटार्स, देन देयर इज अ वोकलिस्ट, वो गाते, इंस्ट्रूमेंटलिस्ट वो बजाते, अरेंजमेंट्स, अरेंजर्स. So like what should be where, how to enhance the song by putting things in different places, how to make your instruments and your harmonics and your harmonies sound good. It comes in arrangement. So that's the music side pretty much. Lyricists भी होते हैं.
जो
लिखते
lyrics
हैं.
लिखते
Yeah.
हैं.
Then the audio side is recording engineer, mix engineer, mastering engineer, and then there is also editor, and
Okay.
then copyrights. But
तो
that's
यार,
not an engineer.
इतने सारे जो लोग हैं, इन सब का तालमेल भी होना चाहिए ना, like they all have to be-
Sometimes one person can play the thing of 5 people.
Okay, right. That's what I
Right?
was.
So like I do mixing, mastering, recording. I can do 3 things at a 3 person's role basically.
Yeah, because वही ना, क्योंकि जितने ज्यादा लोग उतने ज्यादा सबका, क्योंकि सबका विजन अलग होता है lot of times, so you know that coordination.
Yeah.
So you have been part of making music like compositions and
थोड़ा सा किया composing,
okay,
realize कि मजा नहीं आ रहा, छोड़ दिया.
right.
Then I started audio engineering. मजा आया, so वही पकड़ के रखा है.
So audio engineering में क्या different रहता है? I know it's a very broad
It's a
question
huge,
to ask.
it's a big question. Basically, as an audio engineer, you start at the source, right? कि गाने में क्या, like production हो गया है, all the software stuff is done. What needs to be put in, that is live. Live means vocals. It could be dhol. It could be anything that you need to record with a mic.
Right.
So that's the first step in the engineering process, is recording. You start at the source, make sure you're recording it properly. फिर वो हुआ, फिर editing आता है. You want everything to sound on time. Tempo में होना चाहिए. You know, you can't have a song जो ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है. You can't dance to that.
Right.
मज़ा भी नहीं आता वो सुनने में. Editing आता है, quantization आता है. Then that is all compiled and sent to the mix engineer. Mix engineer literally picks apart the whole song. जो unwanted frequencies वो निकाल देता है. Then he enhances it by like spreading things out left and right. We have two speakers most of the time.
Right.
So you don't want everything in the center, right? So everything gets spread.
Surround sound.
Yeah,
type feel.
basically, but
Right.
with two speakers.
Yeah.
Then that happens, then effects like reverb, delays added. जो like वो flower खिल रहा है, उसके फिर color आता है petals में. Basically like that.
Right.
So that is done, and that by that time the flower is looking nice. Then the mastering comes. You want the flower to look shiny, right?
Yeah.
So the mastering involves like nothing related to editing or anything. It's just you get the track. You see what the dynamics are. Okay, if it's a very dynamic song, there are a lot of quiet sections, a lot of loud sections. What mastering will go into is the loud sections will become slightly quieter. The quiet sections will come up a bit, and everything is in like a good level. Ki you don't have to keep increasing and decreasing the volume.
Right.
If you see a good, well mastered song, you can leave the song at a good level.
Yeah.
पूरा गाना you can listen to
और
without
सारे
changing the
instruments
volume.
नहीं देंगे तुम्हें उसमें.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then they do like very surgically थोड़ा थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे करते हैं वो.
Right.
They make sure the level is at industry standard. They get everyone who is involved in the projects to sign off, and then that's it. That's the song done.
Wow.
It is
Yeah.
not that it. It is
but-
not that
no,
it.
it's-
There's a lot to it, यार. I mean, हम लोग जब गाना सुनते हैं, like basically it's just like, oh, it's sounding good to our ears. थोड़ा mental peace मिलता है. And there's so much thing behind that one song. I just realized it जब वो बात कर रहा था.
For example, I'll give you one thing. Once I spent 12 hours recording one guitar.
Okay.
Okay.
But उसमें से you have the main guitar part. फिर there's like harmonies, solos, and so many little aspects that go in. And then you're changing microphones for a different tone, changing guitar for a different tone. Like you can spend 12 hours just recording guitar to get it right. Sometimes you can do it in 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Sometimes you can take 12 hours.
So because it's so easy for us to say एक गाना सुन के क्या यार ये तो बकवास बना है, ये तो सही बना है, that kind of a thing. But there's a lot of that goes behind it.
Yes.
There's a
मेहनत
lot
बहुत
of
जाती है.
process that
हाँ.
goes behind it. So who is your favorite music composer or sound engineer or like from the industry?
From the industry, well, Aslam sir is like, his mixes sound incredible, like so clean. But that's not just because he mixes well, he records it well.
Right.
Like jab your source is, when your roots are strong, everything else is strong. So I
Okay.
really learned that from Aslam sir, and then his son Aftab,
Right.
who is pretty much my mentor, and so is Aslam sir. And Aftab has to be one of the best mix engineers in India right now, other than like Eric Pillai and stuff. But
Right.
he
And
has
what
really
are the works
made a
that Aftab?
pretty much 90% of all Salim Suleiman stuff is done by Aftab,
Wow.
including the live shows. There was T-Series mixtapes. वो
Yes.
सारे आए थे. That was all mixed and mastered by Aftab. Lot of movies were done by Aftab, like Jolly LLB2, Kabil, like newer भी बहुत सारे आए. Mirzapur 2's old background score was mixed by Aftab.
What? Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh my
So-
god.
Yeah, honestly, he's so much respect for him because he's killing it right now.
Yeah.
He's really doing
Because
well for himself.
industry में ना नाम singer के आते हैं, composers के आते हैं,
That's
but
right.
sound engineers and everything are so they play a
Singer
silent
के नाम
but
will come in
important
the first credits, बड़े बड़े
Yeah.
में. Audio engineers will come in the small credits at the end.
part. Why is it like that?
It's always been like that, unfortunately.
Yeah. तो ये जब भी मतलब अभी I know it's a very difficult topic to talk about, but when songs become popular, तो उसका royalty आई थिंक सिंगर्स जाके उसको परफॉर्म करते हैं अलग अलग जगहों पे, उसके पैसे मिलते हैं उन्हें.
हाँ.
और ये एक बहुत बड़ा डिस्कशन भी है. कंपोजर्स आर लाइक व्हाट वी हैव मेड द सॉन्ग, वी नीड टू गेट अ चंक ऑफ इट एज वेल एज रॉयल्टी और व्हाटएवर.
That's the thing. India में copyrights is still like becoming important, whereas New Zealand you have a whole company called APRA and AMCOS.
Yes.
You register with them. If your song is played, APRA and AMCOS get told that this song was played this many times. You will get a certain cut from the percentage. And then there are certain rights like mechanical rights, which is the recording engineer. Then there's like lyrics and all that. Different rights have you have to negotiate a different percentage.
Right.
So then if one person is earning, so is another person.
Yes.
So India में ऐसा है like everyone in the team behind the
Not always.
music industry.
Not
does?
always.
Not always.
Not always.
So do you like working अभी since you are working यहाँ पे भी audio इसमें you're working in Sky City, right?
Yeah, at times.
Okay, and the industry which you worked back in Bombay.
Hmm.
So how easy or how good was it? I mean, which is the easier industry and which is
मुंबई ने जुगाड़ सिखाया
ah
and यहाँ पे technically सब सीखा. So
Right.
being able to do जुगाड़ while keeping it technical is fun. That's what I get to do now.
That is so cool, yeah.
I know.
जुगाड़ and मतलब मैं I think for you अगर मैं बोलूँ ऐसा that you have been brought up in New Zealand, I think I'll be wrong there because your you know the 2 months gap that you've had in India, I think that has also been a vital learning. It's been such a blended bringing up for you, you know, where you have got the New Zealand way of living also,
Yeah.
जो ethical है and you know following the rules regulations, but then you've also been for 2 months 3 months in Mumbai where you've understood कि नहीं, you know, जुगाड़ हो सकता है ना.
बट आई थिंक
ये हो
बॉम्बे
सकता है.
में जुगाड़ से काम ज्यादा इजीली
जुगाड़
हो
से
सकता है,
ही
नॉट
होता
इजीली
है.
बट
Let's be
जुगाड़
honest,
exactly,
जुगाड़ से ही
जुगाड़
होता
से
है.
ही होता है. सो इज इट आई मीन मैं और उसबे थोड़े टाइम पहले डिस्कस कर रहे थे बिकॉज us being an outsider and going to Mumbai का market, is it easy? Because ऐसे सुना गया है कि like लोग किसी के पहचान में होते हैं तो फटक से उनको मिल जाता है.
Yeah,
and
having
everything. Is it?
networking is very important.
Yeah.
Like मैं पहले 2 बार गया, no one knew me. Like you'll see the guys coming in and out of the studio. Well, they'll be like, हाँ, he's there. But when you get to know someone, they talk to you, they interact with you, you speak about their projects, you speak about your projects with them, and that's how it all starts. So knowing people is important, but also the way you present yourself is very important.
Right. I'm going to get back to the jugaad question. So, you know, India में, what is the longest time you've stayed?
2.5 months.
तो मुंबई का तू मुंबई में रहता है 2.5 महीने जो भी टाइम है और फिर वहाँ पे एक जुगाड़ माइंडसेट रहता है, फिर यहाँ पे आ जाता है. तो हाउ इजी और हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज फॉर यू टू गेट अवे फ्रॉम दैट माइंडसेट?
I try to structure it in a way कि आने के बाद सीधा कुछ करूँ. I don't have time. I don't give myself time कि I can wind down. थोड़ी देर chill मारता हूँ. I'll get back into the mindset. ना आओ काम पे लगो सीधा. So you don't have to worry about कि am I in the right mindset or not. I'm just working. I try to keep it that way.
ओके. मैं मेरा सवाल ये इसलिए था क्योंकि लाइक यू नो मैं जब यहाँ पे नया नया आया था और मेरे को पुलिस वाले ने पकड़ा था 1-2 बार, तो मैं आई ट्राइड जाउदियाना काका. But
नहीं, like I've lived here for 16, 17
Yeah,
years.
exactly.
I already know that पकड़ा है. I can't do anything about it. चुपचाप बैठे रहो.
हाँ.
So you get into that double mindset कि
Yeah.
वहाँ पे हूँ, ठीक है, हो सकता है. यहाँ पे हूँ,
यहाँ
चुपचाप
पे नहीं
बैठ.
हो सकता.
वहाँ पे कभी इंटरेक्ट हुआ है ऐसा पुलिस के साथ?
नहीं.
टीसी के साथ?
हाँ, वो बहुत बार वो गप्पे मारते थे हम लोग बस में.
अरे वाह.
सही है. तो so then you came here and you what have you studied? So what is your
I've done a bachelor's of audio production from the Southern Institute of Technology.
all right. Okay.
So तेरा बचपन से ऐसे सारे म्यूजिक के आसपास ही
अरे
तेरा
नहीं रे,
studies
बचपन से
है?
I wanted to be a chef.
Oh
हाँ.
really?
Yeah.
See, I think I met you like 6.5 years
Loved
ago.
cooking back then, ना?
Yeah, I remember that कि हम लोग अदिति के घर पे मिले थे and that's the time when you were talking about cooking and stuff. I remember थोड़ा
वो
बहुत.
तो हमेशा it will be
itsy-bitsy.
there. Like I love
Okay.
cooking. It's fun.
You love cooking
Yeah.
और Indian cooking या proper Kiwi style?
सब कुछ.
क्या बात है.
So now for you, like you know, you loved cooking, but your parents were quite sure that you have an ear for sound.
Music at that
For
time.
music, yeah.
and turned into sound after a year or so.
Right. So you had they recognized that you have an ear for music, for music, and then you enhanced it and were like, you know, I want to get into sound. कभी ऐसे डाउट था मन में कि नहीं यार, you know, what if this doesn't work out? I want to try something else or something.
There were only 2 things I was good at, which was sound and music and cooking.
Right.
So I could only take one of the 2 paths at that time.
Yeah.
So I took one which was more logical, जिसमें मेहनत थोड़ी कम लग रही थी मुझे.
Okay. Which was sound and
Yeah,
music.
and I also enjoyed it a lot more than cooking. And I thought कि हो रहा है, I'm getting opportunities, let's push it.
बिना हाथ गंदे किए काम हो रहा है.
नहीं, हाथ तो गंदे किया ना भाई, बहुत गंदे किया.
हाँ, वो भी है. नहीं, because I think यार एक और advantage ये होता है ना, when you start earlier on in life, तो उतना ज़्यादा तुम्हारे मन में failure का thought नहीं आता है. Because one
नहीं,
side is...
when you fail early, it's easier to learn and move forward from that.
So did you fail earlier?
Oh, heaps of times.
Like example, like in
Like stage shows, I forgot to unmute a mic.
Oh,
Bichara
okay.
गा रहा है, I forgot to unmute that.
Okay.
Like things happening in front of 800, 900 people, I failed at.
Right.
So you have to, and you can't be in the mindset ki I screwed up. I screwed up. This is what I did wrong. This is what I can do better next time. Get back to it.
So one very important point you said over here is that भले failure आया initially, but that didn't demotivate you from not doing it in future. Because a lot of times ऐसे हो जाता है
Yeah.
कि
But
oh,
वो support system भी होना ज़रूरी है कि
Yes.
like when you have people on stage that are understanding, your organizer is understanding कि ठीक है हुआ है, he'll move forward.
Okay, so कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि कोई अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं था and people were mean at the time?
No, Ray, that when people make mistakes in the industry,
Yeah,
mostly people do help.
yeah.
And
And I
they
think
try
they
and
have
move forward.
also themselves
Like
gone
when you
through
are
that.
a 16, 17-year-old kid working
Yeah.
with 45, 50-year-olds,
Mhm.
थोड़ा सा soft spot बनता है, which you don't want,
Mhm.
but they realize कि he's still learning. He hasn't even finished school yet. So they become understanding and they help you a lot more, which is good.
That's good.
And anytime there's been instances where you have been the one teaching other people and they've screwed up, and how have you reacted in those scenarios? Because now you've gone through that, na? So
You start at the source. What went wrong?
right.
Like what could have been changed? Was it something that I forgot to tell you? Was it something you forgot to write down, or did you just not remember? Then you go forward. Everyone's gonna make mistakes.
Right.
True.
But how well you go ahead with it.
Yeah.
So any challenges that you've come across?
अभी तो कोविड की वजह से जॉब मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है. Most my clients have unfortunately had to ditch their projects.
Yes.
Funding नहीं है किसी के पास. So that has been a big challenge this year, is to how do I keep myself motivated to keep trying to get more work
Mm-hmm.
where there is no work.
Mm-hmm.
And being young and trying to work in an industry run by old people is quite hard, because you get like वो mindset आता है लोगों के दिमाग में, ये is a young blood,
Hmm.
इसका गर्म खून है, वो कुछ भी कर देगा, but they don't realize कि he has experience, let's see what he can do.
Yeah.
वो होता है थोड़ा सा.
बिकॉज साउंड में मैंने यही देखा कि जो म्यूजिक कंपोजर्स भी थे दे यूज टू ऑलवेज बी लाइक, एक इंडस्ट्री अगर बॉलीवुड में देखा जाए, all music composers initially used to be like a little aged people.
Yeah.
Then it changed when Vishal Mishra and Amal
Last
Malik,
5 years.
last 5 years when they both and few more young people when they joined the band, and ऐसा लगा कि चलो ठीक है, नहीं young people भी हो सकते हैं music
Yeah.
composers, and
I think the revelation when young directors started coming into the film industry is when
Yes.
everything else was able to come through with a younger age,
right.
because when like the main guy is young,
Hmm.
he will try and support younger people.
So what
That's
is
quite
your vision for next 5 years? Like, what is your dream? Do you wanna?
Dream is always to have a fully operational studio. तब तक just keep working and chipping away at it. And
So
obviously,
what are you working to for it? Like एक होता है ना कि भाई और अपना पूरा ऑडियो सेटअप तो you
yeah,
must have already.
yeah.
तो एक
I
studio
have
के
a
लिए
setup.
हाँ हाँ.
It's not the setup,
Okay.
but it is a setup.
Okay.
That's
so,
how I'm treating it. कि the wish list तो है.
हाँ तो 10
Little,
setup
little,
तक ही
little,
बनेगा.
little. हाँ.
Okay.
It will take time. Like
Yeah.
people don't realize कि audio gear is quite expensive. Like
I know. I realize.
like still like when you
That's
go
basic.
when you go for super pro gear,
Yeah.
one mic can set you back 2-3 grand.
हाँ पता है ना.
So if you're looking at an interface like eight input, 8 output, and the one I'm looking at is 3.5 grand, that's without the card, like the input card.
Oh.
So it sets you back 4-5 grand. So it's not as easy as people think. कि हाँ, like mic है, हो जाएगा. You can start with that,
Yeah.
but for the results I want to achieve, there's a big wish list.
Yes.
So is your wish list कि न्यूजीलैंड इंडस्ट्री में फ्लोरिश करना है या
कहीं पे भी जहाँ
Yeah.
opportunity मिलेगी वही जाऊँगा.
and you love Bollywood music?
Yeah, you have to keep
Yeah.
up to date.
Definitely.
So what is your favorite music genre, like, because
I don't have a favorite. I was taught, असलम सर बहुत अच्छा बोलते थे कि don't have preferences. Keep trying new things.
right.
Like don't strawberry flavor मत खाओ. Try mango, try kiwi fruit as well. ऐसा है. That's how Aslam sir explained it to me.
Very good point. Yeah.
That's really
मेरे को भी
nice.
बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है टू सिलेक्ट समथिंग लाइक व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग, बिकॉज आई हैव अ सिमिलर पर्सनैलिटी वेयर आई लाइक टू ट्राई डिफरेंट थिंग्स. मैं जब भी जाऊँगा, लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल इफ 2 people आई एम गोइंग फॉर डिनर और ये, तो मैं कभी भी सेम ऑर्डर नहीं करूँगा.
Correct.
पता नहीं क्यों मेरे अंदर वो है कि
नहीं बराबर है.
I'll be like, नहीं मैं कुछ और ऑर्डर करता हूँ, I'll taste your and you taste mine, and so that we have variety kind of a thing.
Unless you're veg and someone else is non-veg. You
Yeah.
can try the veg guys, but you can't try the non-veg.
Yeah.
Are you a vegetarian?
I used to be.
Okay.
I used to be till I was 16.
हाँ हाँ.
And
ये भी बॉम्बे में जाके
Yeah,
सीखा?
yeah,
हाँ.
yeah.
ओह. मतलब बॉम्बे बहुत कुछ सिखा
अरे,
देती है.
Yes.
Nice.
चलो, that's
Now, finally, any messages that you'd like to give to budding people who are wanting to have a career in sound, or sound engineering, or composition, or any music-related field?
Keep going. don't stop, and keep educating yourself. Like
Right.
don't get stuck कि मेरे को आता है बस इतना ही करना है. Keep trying to educate yourself.
मेरे को एक पर्सनल ये चाहिए. देख मैं ना बहुत टाइम से अगस्त से मैंने यूकेलेले लाया हुआ है. ओके एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू लर्न इट. सो मैं हमेशा जब मैं लास्ट टाइम भी मैंने एक पॉडकास्ट में बोला था मैं यूट्यूब के सामने बैठ सकती हूँ एक कोई गाना देखती हूँ नहीं यार ये गाना अच्छा नहीं है आई शुड गो टू द नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग. गिव मी वन थिंग दैट कीप्स मी लाइक ये नहीं देविका तेरे को सीखना है. सो व्हाट्स द स्क्रैच ऑफ इट बिकॉज I don't know. See, I want to learn it, but I don't know. I'm not getting that कि भाई क्या सीखूं.
Set yourself a limit. आज 2 मिनट किया कल 3 मिनट करेंगे.
Okay, that's a good one.
Because
That's
like
a good one.
even like I play harmonium now as well sometimes. I would like in like beach mein I was doing 1 hour 2 hour practice per day, and I was doing 1 or 2 lessons per week. And the only reason I was able to do that because I had time to practice. I was able to say कि नहीं कुछ और करने के लिए नहीं अभी ये कर आज 2 मिनट किया कल 3 मिनट कर.
Right.
Yeah.
So do you learn by yourself?
No, I have a teacher.
Okay.
Yeah.
But like he will only teach, but you have to also
Practice.
follow up. Yeah. Like,
Okay.
with anything in life.
Okay. So main job के साथ साथ your मतलब रियाज and all चलते रहता है.
अभी बीच में बंद होता है.
हाँ,
But mom is constantly doing Riya. She
Yeah.
teaches Indian classical music.
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
I've seen her
वो
posts on
दिन
Facebook.
के 2 घंटे तो बैठते ही है रियाज के लिए.
मैंने
By
एक
hook or
चीज जहाँ पे एक सुना था या पढ़ा था आई डोंट रिमेम्बर एग्जैक्टली लेकिन एक चीज जो मेरे को मेरे मन में बैठ गई है इवन whenever you want to try to do something new you try to form a habit of it like don't try to add big chunks of it but just small bits like
small bits.
let's say एक habit create कर दो कि रात को सोने से पहले I'm not going to see the phone, but I'm going to take the ukulele in the hand and play for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
That kind of a thing. So if you do that for like 1 week, then that's going to be your habit. Then you'll extend that 5 minutes to 10 minutes, 1 hour,
Yeah.
whatever.
Yeah, apparently I read somewhere that it takes 90 days to create a habit, but it takes 20 hours to forget it.
Oh.
Something
wow.
like that. So
Yeah.
क्योंकि देख मैंने ना 6th और 7th में आई लर्न पियानो मतलब थोड़ा अभी थोड़े बहुत गाने मेरे को पियानो पे आ जाते हैं बट आई कैन नॉट डू कि लाइक तू ये वाला सरगम बजा वो वाली सरगम बजा ऐसे नहीं हो सकता बट आई नो द थोड़ा बहुत बेसिक्स यहाँ होता है बट दैट वाज द टाइम व्हेन आई हैड अ ट्यूटर दैट्स द रीजन आई लर्न क्विकली बट अभी कैसे यूट्यूब सामने बैठते कभी भी कुछ भी चेंज कर
Yeah.
सकते हो दैट्स द
So
रीजन आई
life
एम
में एक
Distractions.
mentor होना बहुत
मेंटर होना
जरूरी है.
बहुत
Yes.
जरूरी है दैट्स करेक्ट
So Chaitanya, I just want to ask you, can we, because you've been a musician, you've played a lot of instruments.
Yes.
You have done sound arrangement, bits of it. You've done sound engineering also.
I do sound engineering.
You do sound engineering. Yeah, sorry. You do sound engineering. Can we expect a song from you?
because you said you've learned
I've been
singing.
very tempted to go back and start producing again. So maybe
Okay.
I can't guarantee.
So you
anything,
want to
but-
start a demo over here, like a trailer?
नहीं,
of
अभी कुछ
an-
नहीं. It's all like right now my prime focus is work
Okay.
and building the studio.
Right.
But as soon as that happens, then I can at least start working in the studio.
Cool. Now talking about work, so would you like to let our viewers and our listeners know if they want to get in touch with you, how you can help them out,
Oh, just flick me a message on Instagram or anything on
And
Facebook.
your
and how do they get in touch with
Instagram
you?
handle
Chai.rajapurkar.
Oh,
ये लोग
देखा
description
चाय
में
मैंने
डालेंगे.
सुना था मैंने पढ़ा
It's
था कहीं
just
पे
so much easier, man.
Yeah.
yeah
Just
Yeah.
message me. It's fine.
And
Okay.
you can help them with producing a song, or
I can help them with engineering a song. I can help them produce a song, mixing it, mastering it. I can help them with whatever I can. Like, एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़ सीखी over the last couple of years during uni is that if you don't know something, just say you don't know it.
yeah.
yeah
Like, don't try and lead someone on. So, whatever I can help you with, I will try and help.
सही है मतलब भले ये मुंबई से रह के आया है काफी टाइम लेकिन उसने ये वो
कॉलर
चीज़-
नीचे रहती है.
किसी की तो कॉलर ऊपर है
नहीं, वो हमारा वो थोड़ा यंग दिखने का तरीका है वो you know?
यू नो स्टूडियो में 6 लोग बैठे हैं 2 लोगों की कॉलर ऊपर है तो अब भी नीचे हो गई है
उसके अभी भी ऊपर है
वो अभी कर रहा था
वो अभी भी
ऐसे
ऊपर ही
ऐसे
है,
सेटिंग
नहीं
इसके ऊपर ही रहती है पर.
okay so now before we let you go because we've got a limit of time I want to ask you what do you do to keep your mental peace?
Sleep is important, man. Sleep. I have a dog, so we go to the park, we play, we go on walks, we have fun. And अगर time मिला तो I try and cook something.
Oh nice.
कुछ हुआ तो
So
हुआ.
do you read any books? Like, are you into reading?
No, I don't read. I listen to a book, but I won't read the book.
Ah, okay.
when I was in Invercargill, I lived with a guy called Suyesh Pawar. हमारी बहुत बचती थी क्योंकि वो मूवी लगाता था, but I was on my phone like reading something or watching something. फिर वो बोलता था क्यों देख क्यों नहीं रहा, मैं सुन रहा हूँ. He never got that कि ये क्या सुन रहा है. Like, वो मर गया ना अभी 2 मिनट पहले. Like, तेरे को कैसे पता, मैं सुन रहा हूँ.
Wow.
He has an ear to
But
detail.
sometimes it would happen कि ये देख क्या हुआ. I was like हाँ I'd be busy doing something else and तब he'd call me out for it.
So लोगों को normally eye to detail होता है, इसको ear भी है और eye भी है.
नहीं आई 4 है.
अच्छा 4 आगे है.
No, but I think it's a very valid point because हम लोग भी यहाँ पे साथ में देखते हैं. तो मेरा जो फ्लैटमेट है तीर्थ, he is so particular. उसमें मेरे को एक सीरीज दिखा रहा था. He is so particular that अगर समझो एक सीन में भी मैं अगर मोबाइल में देख रहा हूँ या कर रहा हूँ, he'll pause it and I'll be like क्यों pause क्यों किया? He'll be like नहीं तू देख रहा नहीं है. तो and he'll go back and he'll play it again. But you have said such a good point कि हाँ मैं सुन रहा हूँ and you're sharpening your listening
Like,
skills.
अगर conversation हो रहा है स्क्रीन पे, why do I need to look at their faces while they're talking? सुन रहा हूँ, उनके आवाज के टोन से पता चलता है one guy is angry, one guy is sad, or you know you can just listen.
Wow.
Because
That's-
without audio, a movie is incomplete.
Yes, absolutely.
Like you can listen to a movie, but you can't watch a movie on its own. You can't tell what's happening.
Yeah.
Correct, yeah.
इसलिए अभी आजकल लोग सबटाइटल देख के भी मूवी देखते हैं ना काफी बार.
And audiobooks भी आई है आजकल.
Exactly.
So
And that's why audiobooks
yeah.
are so popular and
Correct.
podcasts are so
Podcasts are
important,
awesome.
you know.
Yes.
So बेकी बातें podcast को जाके आप Spotify पे ढूंढ सकते हैं. Just a plug-in.
Plug.
But I think any further questions, Devika, you have for?
सॉरी मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन था बट आई डोंट नो मैंने कहीं तो
नाही,
पडा तुझे मराठीत स्टार्ट केलं मी
हाँ मराठीत बोल हाँ.
तुझ्या इंटरव्ह्यू मध्येच मी ऐकलेलं व्हॉट इज डिस्कोग्राफी.
Discography is like a reel of all the work you've done before. Like Miten will have a show reel. That's his discography.
Okay.
ओके
तो जो विजुअल होता है उनके लिए शो रील होता है, जो ऑडियो होता है उसके लिए डिस्कोग्राफी होता
No,
है.
discography could be for anything, not just.
Okay.
आई सी.
There's just
It's like a
different ways of-
montage of.
Yeah, it's like
things.
showcasing the work you've done.
Right.
Like
Okay.
some people will have posters of the movies they've worked on, or like posters of the songs, or like snippets of the movies that they filmed. वैसा सब कुछ.
Right.
कूल.
Yeah, like if you
बस
search up
मेरा यही
discography
question
for
था.
like, for example, Coldplay,
हाँ, हाँ.
उनका पूरा you'll just get a big list of all the work they've done,
Right.
including
I
collabs
see.
or like anything, productions. Anything.
So discography for Becky Baate podcast should be the next thing that we should.
Yes, you'll have what,
Yeah.
5 podcasts on it by then, eh?
Yeah. no,
we
we've
have
got-
25 podcasts
got 25
before
podcasts.
Oh,
but ये
superb, man.
passionate series का
हाँ,
5
so
हुआ
then
है,
there'll be a
so-
sub.
yes
Yeah, nice.
yeah.
So like Becky Baate podcast के अंदर passionate series है हमारा.
Superb.
So then you know we have 25 plus
Yeah.
5. Yeah, I think we should have a discography. इसका
Discography
ना.
very
Yeah.
soon.
25 तो बहुत हो गए ना.
You just started.
बहुत नहीं हुए हैं.
Just
We are
started.
still yeah.
But thank you so much guys for watching and listening
Yeah.
to
और
us.
हमारी डिस्कोग्राफी अगर देखनी है तो हमें फॉलो कीजिए इंस्टाग्राम पे BEHKIBAATEIN और मेरा पर्सनल हैंडल है DEVICA9.
और मेरा पर्सनल हैंडल इंस्टाग्राम पे है auckland_ka_bay before
That's
anyone
you.
else.
So when she puts up a lot of stories with Auckland का भी ऐसा कौन है ये?
ये मैं ही हूँ.
यही है रुज़बे
ना अलग अलग
पर से
अलग
किया.
अलग लुक्स होते हैं मेरे. कभी दाढ़ी होती है, कभी मूछ होती है, कभी क्लीन शेव होता है. But yes, please definitely go and follow us there. And if you want to get in touch, if you want to get a music composition or anything related to music or sound, hit him up.
Hit me up
chai.rajapura Rajapurkar on Instagram.
on Instagram.
Great.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much guys. Thank you
Thank you so
Chaitanya.
much.
It
Thanks-
was amazing
thanks for
having
having
a chat with you. फिर से बोल दे sorry.
No, thanks for having me.
Great.
Cool.
So I don't know if you have heard our पहले वाले podcast but हमारा बाय बोलने का एक तरीका होता है. बस हम सर में बाय ऐसे बोलते हैं.
Bye.
Yes.
Okay.
हाँ.
Okay.
Yes.
यार एक गाना गा लेना यार.
हाँ ना
नहीं,
यार.
नहीं,
You said that you know you have learned singing.
I
right?
have.
ए तो कर ना, एक
दो
गाना तो गा
नहीं
सकता
रे,
है.
नहीं रे.
दो
ए
लाइन.
प्लीज यार,
अरे,
हमारा
Still
ऐसे
very
स्निपेट
shy.
आ जाएगा.
हाँ?
हम एक स्निपेट आ जाएगा
नहीं,
हमारा.
नहीं.
गाना यार प्लीज. हाँ गिटार, लेकिन नहीं वो
यार
स्ट्रिंग्स
वो
नहीं है
गिटार
बराबर.
के स्ट्रिंग्स नहीं है और उसबे का गिटार है.
ऑडियो इंजीनियर है, एक स्ट्रिंग के बगैर काम चला सकता
Okay. I'll try.
Yes, yes, yes.
मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, तुम मुझ में कहीं बाकी रहना, बस इतना है तुमसे कहना, बस इतना है तुमसे कहना, बस इतना है तुमसे कहना, बस इतना है तुमसे कहना.
Amazing, यार, amazing. Thank you so much, Chaitanya, for doing this.
आई थिंक हमने हर गेस्ट को गवाया है ना
Almost,
हमारे
हाँ.
पॉडकास्ट
Okay.
में एवरी गेस्ट सो इट वाज रियली नाइस यार
Thank
बहुत
you,
बढ़िया
thank you
बात
for
रही।
having me.
Thank you. Okay, on this note, let's do our last bit
Yes,
and we'll maro kalti.
yes.
तो थैंक यू सो मच गाइस फॉर वाचिंग. ऐसे ही हमें फॉलो करते रहिए, देखते रहिए.
प्यार देते रहिए
तब तक के लिए बाय.
Bye.